good luck.
Scott, well, good luck with that.
Yeah.
You will do her.
If he does, he will. But I looked at the way.
When can an association enter property to fix a violation?
Okay, so it's going to depend if you have a condo association or a homeowners association. In a condominium setting, the board of directors has a statutory right of access, which is usually going to be in the governing documents or the declaration of condominium as well. The main purpose of that right of access is not to cure a violation, but to actually maintain the common elements of the condominium. So in a condominium, you're really not going to be exercising that sort of self-help. Rather, you're going to file a complaint with the Bureau and eventually maybe a lawsuit to enforce the declaration. In an HOA, you can have a contractual right of abatement, is what it's referred to, or a right of self-help. If it's in the declaration, you may be in a position to enter the property, correct the violation, and move on. But you should talk to counsel about doing that, because obviously that can be a risky proposition, particularly if the property is occupied.